Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today I will discuss with you how to create a Gmail account for my business, for my any other takes for my friends everywhere. So today I will show you how to create. So in the first we will see its introduction. Okay, setting up a Gmail account is easy. You will begin by creating a Google account, and during the quick sign up process, you will choose your Gmail account name. In this lesson, we will show you how to set up your Google account for Gmail and add and edit contracts and edit your mail settings. So in the first, I think you will understand in the introduction. Okay. The second option is here, setting up a Gmail account. So how to set up? To create a Gmail address, you will first need to create a Google account. So at the first time you will need to create a Google account, then you can create a Gmail address. Okay. So Gmail will redirect you to the Google account sign up page. You will need to provide some basic information like your name, your birth date, your gender, and your location. You will also need to choose a name for your new Gmail address. Once you create an account, you will be able to start adding contracts and adjusting your mail settings. When you create your account, then you can adjust your contracts. Also, you can adjusting your mail settings. To create an account, go to www.gmail.com. Okay, so here is the www.gmail.com in this page. Click create an account. Here is the create account. Okay, you can select here. Then we go to the fulfill of the information here, your first name, your last name, and your username for Gmail. You can use letters, number, and letters available. You can use here your password, your confirmation password. Okay, to sign up with appear, follow the direction by entering the records information. Now we click to next. Okay, next. Uh, Enter your phone number to verify your accounts. Google uses a two-step verification process for your security. Okay, verify phone number. Here is, you can add your phone number here, then click to next. For your security, Google wants to make sure it's really you. Google will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Okay, then in the 5 number, you will receive a text message from Google with a verification code. Enter the code to complete the account verification. Okay. Verify phone number. When you with your phone number, then click to next. Then Google will send you 6-digit verification code. You can put here the code here, then verify. Click to verify. Okay. Next, you will see a form to enter some your personal information like your name and your birthday. Okay, here it is. Your number here, your recoverable mail address also need your month, your birth date, your month, your date, your year, what year you born, your birthday. Okay, your gender, female or male, and then next. Review Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then click I agree. Okay, here is Google Terms Policy Service. We also combine this data among our service and across your device for this purpose.